If I were brand new to investing today, this would be my game plan. Let's talk about it. Now, first, I would ignore all the noise. No TikTok gurus, no stock picking hype, no pressure to learn everything. I focus on confidence, not complexity. Your piece matters more than the market predictions. So just remember that. Now, I'd open one account for one purpose. That could be um, retirement or getting a down payment for a house. But make sure you know the purpose of your account. And I would start with like Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, Robinhood, but I'm not sure. You could start with that one if it makes you feel more comfortable. Just starting one could help you learn without feeling scattered. That would be one of the things I would do. Now, just started with a simple investment like the total market or S&P 500 fund. That would that would help a lot. Keep it broad. And why? Because you get instant diversification without feeling like you have to pick anything. So starting there would be a good way to learn by doing and not get lost in don't get lost in ETF shopping also because you could go down a rabbit hole with that one. I'd automate tiny amounts. $25, $50, whatever fits into your life, automate it. Remove the emotions because a lot of times I had to think about, do I have $50 after I pay all the bills? Think about putting yourself first. Do what fits your life. The truth is automation is like a cheat code because after a while you'll see how much money has accumulated over time and you'll be proud of yourself. Now, I'd avoid comparing myself to other people. Some people have more and they might share that. And you might feel a little less than, but no, everybody starts somewhere. Just remember that. Your timeline might not be their timeline. They might have more disposable income and you might not, but still you're on your own investing journey. So start small and build up over time. Let's see. Consistency, not perfection. Please do not try to be perfect. Please do not try to be perfect. Check in when you can. Try to do it monthly because you do not want to get overwhelmed. You do not want to stress yourself out. You do not want to think you're going slower and think your progress is not adding up to anything. Please be consistent and learn on your own pace. There's things that you can learn. There's terms, there's you might want to learn a new platform, you might want to learn about reading charts. There's things that you can learn. And there's always learning when you're in or when you are an investor. So when you keep it consistent, you learn at your own pace, you protect your mental health. Do not read everything and overload yourself thinking you have to know everything. Basically you're building wealth. Emphasis on the building. So take your time. So this is what I would do if I was starting over and this was my game plan. I would open my brokerage. I would get a broad ETF. I would automate $20 to $50, maybe $100, depending on what I had. I would ignore the hype. There's a lot of hype on the news that can make you nervous, scared, make you second guess your decisions. Make sure you track. Make sure you track because you'll get lost. You won't know what you did. Make sure you track. I'm guilty sometimes of not tracking. So make sure you track. And that's it. That's the whole beginning. So if you're interested, I have a plan, a fresh start mini guide, and I also have a $500 investing plan that you could start. So please, the link is below. Make sure you look at those two and let's get started for 2026. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're starting. And let me know, just tell me which brokerage account are you looking at? Just give me the name. So once again, comment, subscribe, and come back for new videos. I'll see you. Take care.